What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a ton to talk about. Trump tariffs crashed the market overhead this week, and I need you guys to pay attention to what's coming next. So before we go ahead and start this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button because we do videos like this every day. Now, today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about stocks that I'm gonna be buying in the next 90 days. So I need you guys to pay attention, come correct. Get a pen and paper, get ready because we are about to go in, okay? Guys, check this out. Take a look at ticker symbol SPY. The Spider S&P 500 ETF is down $11.40 today, which is almost down 2% overnight. We got talks of tariffs, Canada, Mexico, China. This news hit on Friday, yet it tanked the market overnight. So I need you guys to pay attention because we have a ton of buying opportunities on our watches. So take a look at this. On the week, we're down 2% in the past week. In the month, we are down just 0.04%. If you guys recall, last Monday, the market went back down and we recovered on that dip, okay? I need you guys to be looking out for patterns just like that, okay? This time around, we knew what happened last time when they sent the market down. There's always gonna be some catalyst that they push forward to drive the market down. But I need you guys to play reactive on all the news that you are given. Play reactive on all the catalysts that are there in the market because this is how you prepare in order to make some more money and to be more reactive in the market. So I got a ton of plays for you guys today. Please make sure to like, please make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into it. Guys, we got so much earnings this week, so I quickly want to go ahead and read some notable earnings. I'm not going to put them on the screen. I'm just going to let you guys know. Ticker symbol PLTR on Monday, that is Palantir Technologies. Okay, that is Monday after close. Tuesday we got PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL. We got Spotify, ticker symbol SPOT. We have Pfizer, we have Ferrari. After close on Tuesday, which is a major watch for me, we got ticker symbol AMD. Next up after that, we have Alphabet, ticker symbol GOOGL. We have Snap Inc., ticker symbol SNAP. On Wednesday, we got Uber, ticker symbol UBER. We also have Disney, ticker symbol DIS, and many more such as Qualcomm, QCOM. We got ARM, ARM. So we have a ton of stocks that have major earnings. Let me just go ahead and read a few more because, like I said, guys, these past 2 weeks, last week and this week, we got major earnings. We got ticker symbol RBLX, Roblox. We have Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN on Thursday after close. We also have NET, ticker symbol NET. So those are my major watch lists coming on to this week. So I need you guys to pay attention to those because we have a major earnings week. This doesn't come by that often. This comes by every 3 months. So these are major watches that I have on this week. So guys, take a look at this. This stock I'm watching right now, ticker symbol NVDA. This one is down 17% the past month. We dipped lower than our starting point last week. So I need you guys to keep this one on your watch list. Nvidia is trending down -5% overnight. This presents a good buying opportunity. Once again, I need you guys to put DCA on your vocabulary terms. Dollar cost averaging. That means whenever a stock dips, a stock you like long-term, short-term, right? Go ahead, put this one on your watch list. Go ahead and add a few dollars in every single day as it goes down, okay? Because when a lot of people go ahead and buy when it's up, okay, and complain that it doesn't go down, this is the opportunity, right? This is the opportunity when it's down, it's a great time to average up, okay? Going down is a blessing because you get to buy stocks on discount that would have otherwise went up, right? This is the chance to go ahead, put some of the paycheck into investments. This is the time to go ahead, put some of the paycheck into crypto, right? There's so much opportunity in the market, but once again, it's the patience that helps with the transfer of wealth in the markets. So once again, I'm going to be looking at ticker symbol NVDA. You could see that it just went to 114 overnight. So this one, huge watch on my watch list for tomorrow. If this one goes ahead, dips down to 110, I'm gonna be looking for a little bounce back like we saw last Monday. I'm pointing out last Monday because this is gonna help guide me and you guys for the video for tomorrow, okay? If this one breaks below this low of 112, look for 110, because of the fact that Nvidia last Monday rode up and then shot straight back down to the 116 mark. So I don't want to have you guys make any mistakes. We're going to be very reactive. If you guys are looking for calls, or matter of fact, if you're looking to pick up shares, this is the time, right? Dollar cost average. Guys, I'm going to be taking a look at these options right here, okay? I'm going to hit trade options. I'm going to be looking into going long on the stock. I am not looking to do puts because the drop has happened, right? Even if it dips more, I'm going to wait it out and buy some time on my call contracts. But if I'm going to be looking to day trade, I'm going to be looking at the $115 call option. This is close to money, which means there's going to be less decay if the stock does not move my way. Otherwise, I can go ahead and buy time. So I'm going to be looking at this call option. Now, this might be opening at $3 a contract because of the fact that Nvidia is down 6%. I'm going to be looking at the 115 call option for February 7th. This is a weekly option, okay? So this one is going to move fast compared to the others. This one costs right now $7.75 with an IV of 90% and a delta of $68. So that means for every $1 movement, this contract's going to go up $68. And once again, if that one is not looking good for that day, I'm going to be looking to buy one out for 1 month out because of the fact that stocks may rebound. If there's an opportunity that rebounds, I would like to buy time instead of holding a weekly contract. This way, the decay doesn't go down as fast. Does that make sense? Let me know down below in the comments, okay? I'm going to be looking at the $115 call option and the 120 call option sitting at $13.70. Now, once again, this may drop down as it dropped 13% today, but that's already from Nvidia dropping. So you could see when you buy time, these options, right? These options, these vehicles of investment don't go down as much. That's why when there's a huge dip, buying time is essential. But if you're here to day trade, you can go ahead and pick the weekly contract, right? But that's if you go in and out very fast. Next up, guys, I'm gonna be looking at ticker symbol AAPL. This one dropped 2.44% overnight. This one has been a strong buy last Monday. So I'm gonna be looking at the upside for this. But if this goes ahead and breaks below 228, this is a no-go, okay? We're gonna leave this go. But I'm gonna be looking at the option of 235 call sitting at 410. This one's gonna be my watch list. If we got some smart money flowing into her, better be on my watch list, okay? Take a look at this. This one sits at 410 a contract with a delta of $55. So this one's a major watch, but my semiconductors are gonna be a huge watch this week because of earnings. This one had its earnings last week. Let's go to the next stock. Take a look at DIS, guys. Once again, Disney reports earnings on Wednesday before the open. I need you guys to watch this one. This one is down nearly 1% past week. This one is down nearly 1% in the past month. So it's near the dip by location at 106. If this one tumbles down to 108, for example, I'm going to be looking into calls once again to run it up before earnings, right? I got AMD, I got Disney, I got PayPal, I got big watches on all of these. So I'm going to be monitoring these ones closely, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour into the open with some time on these calls. All right. Next up, guys, I got ticker symbol PLTR. They report earnings after close on Monday. Now, to notify you guys, this one might run up to $80, okay? Whether or not it drops or goes up, I need you guys to put Palantir Technologies on your radar. They report earnings February 3rd. That means tomorrow. So this one is going to be looking like a huge move tomorrow. Either direction, there is about a 10% implied move for this stock. So it means it could go 10% up, upside, or 10% on the downside. But I want to let you guys know that these premiums are rather expensive, okay? You can see the implied volatility is at 155%. So this one would have been a better buy a bit ago, okay? When the IV is like this is the time to step back. This means that this contract is in high demand. So for Palantir, I'm going to be stepping away from this trade. I got other stocks that I'm looking at, including AMD. So guys, next up we got ticker symbol AMD. This one is holding up better than Nvidia, okay? This one could have dropped to 108, which is another buy zone for me. I'm going to be watching this one closely, very, very closely, because we have earnings on Tuesday after close. So for this one, you could see it's at nearly $112. We're at 3.5% down overnight. You can see on the week, this is down 14% the past week. So if their earnings is good, yet again, they still need great guidance. But I am looking for a long shot on this one. This one has been trending down ever since. You could see in the past year, it's been down 34%, but they got Q4 earnings. So it's going to be a huge one on my watch list. I'm going to be hitting trade options. This one, once again, I'm going to be looking for the long side on AMD. I'm going to be looking intraday. I'm going to be looking at the 115 call options for a potential bounce back. I would love the IV to be lowered, but this one sits at 580 a contract. And also, if I want to look for a swing trade on this, I'm going to be looking at February 14th for the time being, right? These contracts being 660. So whether or not you buy time, these are practically the same in options. The only difference is that there is a week difference. So the February 14th contract look more appealing than the weekly options. Does that make sense? There's only an $80 premium, but you get another week of time, which is more valuable. So those are going to be on my watch list. I was going to be looking at the $120 contracts, but it's been past that because we gapped down to nearly 110. Does that make sense? Otherwise, I would look at March 14th once again, because these call options are sitting at $9.90, right? $10. So I'm going to be monitoring these ones very closely, the February 17th, February 14th. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. Next stock I'm going to be looking at is ticker symbol GOOGL. They report earnings after close on Tuesday too. This one I'm going to be looking for a $200 breakout. If this one breaks 200, I'm going to be looking at the 205 calls, which are sitting at 615. This is so I'm playing the upside. Okay, this is a big watch like AMD. Both of these stocks have major earnings, so I want to see that as well. Next up, we got ticker symbol AMZN. This one's down 3% overnight. For this one to trend upwards, I'm looking for a break of 232 while looking at the 235 call option. The 235 call option sits at right now 950. So this one is on the heavy side. That is why I prefer looking at AMD and Alphabet. Does that make sense, guys? This one's more on the heavy side. So for us, when we're doing the 1 to 100,000 account challenge, I'm looking for premiums that are generally cheaper than 950 a contract. This one I'm gonna put aside because these earnings are Thursday. They don't come out yet. So next up, guys, I'm looking at ticker symbol META for a dip buy once again. If this one dips all the way back down to 600, I'm going to be looking at to buy it again. This one is a leader in the industry, right? You could see a 4% run up on earnings. It did not drop too much yet. This one is only down 3% overnight. So after a healthy 4% run up, we got a little bit of a correction. So major watch on these stocks, guys. We also got crypto going down 20-30%. So let's go ahead and check out that. Now let's go ahead and take a look at crypto. Everyone take a look at this. XRP is sitting at $2.37 in the overnight hours. I don't need to say overnight because crypto is 24 hours, but take a look at this. We had a low of day of 178 for the crypto XRP. If you bought around that, that means you're up about 30 to 40%. So it's a great buying opportunity on this dip as major cryptos, guys. I hold Ethereum, I hold Bitcoin, XRP. These cryptos have went down significantly. Bitcoin, not so much. However, Ethereum and XRP are the ones that went down 25%, 30% today. So take these as a buying opportunity when everyone's fearful. This is your time to get greedy. Guys, I talk about crypto a ton on this channel. I'm going to start talking about it more because it's important to diversify your portfolio. I may hold a ton of stocks, ETFs, penny stocks. Yet again, I love to diversify my portfolio more when it comes to crypto too, because a ton of people are now adopting the crypto. Crypto is being used in payments, and so much more news is coming out of crypto, right? We got crypto potential tariffs coming up. So I need you guys to focus in on the cryptocurrency market right now. If you guys are new to crypto, you can take an approach of dollar cost averaging. That does not mean buying everything at once. That means putting some money in XRP, for example, every time it dips below 50 cents. Okay, if it hits 250, I'm putting, let's say $100. If it hits $2, I'm hitting $100. If this goes to 150, I'm putting $100 in. If this goes to $1, I'm putting $100 in. This is the approach I use when it comes to cryptocurrencies. I look at the chart, I look at support. Where is the support? Ethereum just came off of its $2,100 support. That's where major smart money loaded up on. Let me know if you guys caught that, okay? 2,100 was a major support for Ethereum. Okay, this is why it's important to set limit orders up. So let's say, for example, if it dips to a certain price, you can get in. It'll trigger that buy alert as long as you have funds in the account. Does that make sense? So it's important to look at other investment opportunities besides stocks, besides ETFs, right? There's also cryptocurrency. This is huge, guys. XRP moved 30 to 40% from the lows. Ethereum, probably 10, 15% from the lows, but that's still huge. That is why it's important. Just like this crash right here, okay? I'm gonna call this a crash because there was a huge, major move on crypto today, okay? This is nothing like we've seen before, especially for XRP being down 30, almost 40% within a day. But dip buys did pay off on this one. If this one goes down to 150, if this one goes down to 50 cents, be on the lookout, okay? Just know I'm gonna be looking at dollar cost average on my cryptos over time, okay? As much as I want Ethereum to go up to 4,000 again, like it did just a few weeks ago, I gotta go ahead, take some of my paycheck, some of my earnings into cryptocurrencies to go ahead and diversify into my portfolio. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to hit that like button. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. We do videos just like this every day. So if you want to watch another one, click right here. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider journey. Guys, if you like this video, I want to see more, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I want you guys to be patient tomorrow. Look into buying opportunities throughout the market. And if you're not certain, go ahead and wait a bit. You don't have to pull the trigger right away. You can go ahead and wait. Guys, good luck tomorrow. I believe in each and every one of you. I'll see you all later. Peace. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we have a ton of plays to talk about today. If you guys want to make $100 tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead, share my plays for tomorrow. Okay, coach has been working hard getting this video up. It's pretty late right now, but better late than never. Okay, we don't skip the uploading here, we don't stop, we never quit, we keep on going. So all I ask you guys to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So if you guys want to make money this week, if you haven't made money this week, that's fine. Watch this video, okay? I'm going to share a ton of plays that coach has been looking at, taking hours upon hours to read throughout the day, looking at charts, looking at all the technical analysis. So in the short term, we got a ton of plays right here. Let's go to the first one. So let me go ahead, check this out for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and record my screen right here. So first of all, we have the first stock, ticker symbol RBLX. So let me go ahead and see this right here. It is at $59.40. It is down 0.20 cents down, 0.34% down overnight. And guys, I am incredibly bullish on Roblox as of this moment, because on the weekends, okay, on the weekends, Roblox hit its highest numbers of concurrent users online. So that means the amount of players online during the weekends was at its peak. It set a new record. Okay, so it shows how popular it's becoming, and a ton of those players, right? The 2 million concurrent users, I believe it's like 3 million concurrent users actually, world record, right, for them. So a ton of people spending more money on Robux, which is their currency, and subscriptions means that Roblox currency has made them so much money during the weekend. So if we take a look at this, sitting at 59.40, guys, I'm looking to take short-term calls on Roblox. So we're not looking for a year out leaps, we're not looking for 2 years out, we're just looking for get in, get out quick trades this week. So I'm gonna need you guys to look at this. Okay, I'm gonna hit trade options. I'm gonna be looking at the December 20 calls and the December 27 calls. If you guys want to play a bit more safe, you can always go out even more to January 17th, for example. Okay, so it might cost a little bit more in premium, but it's to ensure that the option doesn't decay as fast. Okay, so let's go back to December 27. Okay, I'm gonna be looking at the $62 call and the December $20 call, and let me just show you why real quick. Okay, so if we go to the 1 week chart, you can see it's down 0.30% in the past week. I'm looking for a break over $60.22 Guys, Roblox is forming a bullish pennant, bullish flag. I looked it up on the charts earlier, okay? You can confirm this too. You don't gotta just follow me. You can look at this yourself. I'm looking for a break over 60.22, and I'm gonna be looking at the $62 calls and even the $65 calls. So if we take a look at the 1 month chart, Roblox is up 11.5%. Guys, you can see that there's a consolidation forming right here. If we get a good volume launch on Monday, I believe we can potentially hit $62, $65. I'm looking for a break of 62.22. It was the high of Friday, $60.22. If it breaks $60.22, I'm going to be taking a look at the call options for a strike price of $62, $65. 1 week out, same week, I'm going to be looking to trade this in the short term. So that's what I'm looking at for Roblox. Incredibly bullish in the short term. Let's move on to the next stock. Next up, we have Rivian Automotive, ticker symbol RIVN. Guys, Tesla ran up an incredible amount last week, breaking it all to all-time highs. Everyone made money last week, man, if you were bullish. Rivian Automotive is up 5 cents overnight. I am incredibly bullish on Rivian in the short term for its trading reasons. So if we take a look at the 1 week, it is up 8% in the past week. If we take a look at the 1 month, it is up 25% in the past month. So you guys might be like, Coach, some of you might be like, Coach, why are we entering a play if the stock is up 25% in the past month? Okay, stocks can continue to run higher. This one in particular has a bullish consolidation, yet again a bullish pennant. So I marked it out. I did my technical analysis. Coach saw that there's a bullish pennant, what's like a triangle shape on the stock. So you could see from the highs right here, from the touch points of 1477. I'm actually looking for a break of 1470 on the stock for taking the $15 call options. Okay, short term, not too long, just short term for the trade, get in, get out. And then you could see the bottom of the December 9th, okay, at 1339. If you go ahead, do your technical analysis, draw a triangle, right? Draw the bullish pennant, connect the tops to the bottom down here. If I edit this video, I could show you guys it, but we're gonna go in fast, okay? So Rivian Automotive 1442. If it breaks 1470, I'm gonna see whether to take the $15 calls, okay? If it holds that $15 level, once it breaks 1470, if it can keep going to $15, I'm gonna be targeting $15 call option strike price. So let's go ahead, take a look at trade options. December 20 calls right here. The $15 call is worth 36 cents, okay? So it's gonna cost $36. Guys, this is a trade in the short term. We're playing for the 1470 resistance break, which might be coming, okay? So stay on the lookout, guys. I'm looking at a lot of stocks at once. If we take a look at the December 27th calls, a $15 call option is worth 57 cents. So definitely something I'm looking at. I'm bullish on Rivian Automotive. A lot of people do what's called sympathy plays in the stock market. So if they see something in one sector pop off, they try to look at stocks that are similar, right? Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, Rivian Automotive. Rivian Automotive is an electric car company. They also do other stuff as well. But since Tesla ran up a ton, people have been looking for sympathy plays, okay? So they want to trade stocks that don't require as much money. Rivian Automotive is 1442 versus Tesla, which ran up to all-time highs, 435. So that second play is Rivian Automotive that I'm taking a look at. Let's move on to a third play. Guys, pay attention. We got some more plays, okay? So next up is ticker symbol ROKU, Roku stock, guys. It is up 66 cents overnight, up 0.80% overnight. On the 1 week, it is down 0.83%. Guys, this stock I'm looking at, I'm playing calls on this, okay? I'm potentially going to be playing calls on this. I'm looking for a break over $84.36 for this because of the fact that Roku has been in consolidation mode, okay? If we see it move one way, that I'm looking for particularly is going to be a breakout. So if we take a look at 1 month, it is up nearly 12%. It's doing the same thing as some of the stocks mentioned in this video, okay? Consolidating a ton when it made its 11% spike, and then it just consolidates. It's within a 1% range in the past week. So I'm going to be taking a look at the $5 increments for the call options, like I've been saying earlier. So If I take a look, this one a little bit far out, $85 call options, $2.14. Taking a look at that, I'm also going to be taking a look at the $9 call options that cost 90 cents. And we could also go as far as January 17th, okay, to the $90 call options, $2.63. So once you pick a strike, and also the date far out is going to cost a bit more. But for those who want to trade in the short term, they can go ahead and go to the 1 week call option, same week, 2 weeks out, you can do whatever, right? So I'm looking particularly for a breakout on Roku over 84.36. And you guys might be wondering, where do I get these levels from? They're particularly from a stock's high in the past trading day, or its resistance from the previous trading week. So 84.36, guys, Roku's just consolidating in the sweet spot right here. So you guys can see right here, I'm scrolling through $85 resistance, $84 resistance. So I'm looking for 84.38 on Roku. So let's go to the next stock. Guys, another stock that I've been looking at, especially in the past week, is ticker symbol AAPL. Apple stock, guys. Right now it is sitting at $248.36. It is up 23 cents overnight. So if we take a look at the 1 week chart, once again, a ton of consolidation, up $6, 2.53% in the past week. Guys, I'm looking for a break of $249 for Apple. Okay, I drew my charts, I drew my bullish pennant. I'm looking for a $249 break after this long consolidation in the past few days for Apple. Okay, it made its high at $250. I'm specifically looking for Apple to break that $250. I'm looking for a break at $249. Then I'm looking for a break of this previous resistance at $250.14. I'm looking for Apple to make a way up to $252 to $255. And if it come back down, I know my support is going to be $247, where we have a potential bounce. If it come down to $247, I'm going to be adding to my position, because what I've seen is that Apple has been bouncing down. Take a look at this, okay? 246.39. What did it do? Go back up. Go over here. 246.62. What did it do? Go back up. If we take a look again, 246.70. Guys, take a look at this. It went back up again. So I made a mark, okay? I made a mark on my charts, guys, my technical analysis, that 247, we got a potential bounce. It's been showing the same pattern throughout the whole week. This is what I've seen. Let me know if you guys seen anything too. And then obviously we have some resistance at 250.14. We got resistance at 249. And also we got resistance at 249.35. So I'm looking for a break of 249. I'm going to be looking for 250 calls. Okay, so let's go to trade options once again. Let's go to December 27th, for example, 1 week out. If we take a look at the 250 calls, they're worth at most 240. Okay, at the highest right here at the moment. On open, it's going to be a little bit different. If we take a look at January 17 calls, the 250 calls is worth $5. So whatever you want to do, whether it's short dated, long dated, make your own plan. Okay, don't rely on this to make your own plan. At the end of the day, it's you that gotta stick to your plan. Don't rely on coach is making these videos for you guys, but you guys got to put in the work after all. Okay, so that's Apple. I'm looking for a 249 break. If it goes down to 247, I'm going to be looking for a potential bounce. So let's go into the final stock, guys. Okay, YouTube, last up we have ticker symbol AFRM. It is up 1.50% overnight. It is sitting at $71.75. If we take a look at the 1 week chart, down, ranging around 1% last week. Okay, made a low at 65.90. Its resistances included the levels of $72.67. If we take a look at the 1 month, Affirm is up 34% in the past month. Guys, Affirm's been a mover, Tesla's been a mover, a ton of stocks been bullish as of recently. But if we take a look right here, it has been making a resistance around that $72 mark. So I definitely see some opportunity in this. Okay, my levels are, if we got a break over $72.82, I'm going to be looking for a move. I'm going to be looking at the $80 strike price January 17th to target a move of $75. I'm trying to give Affirm a little bit time out because it's a stock that I personally think moves a little bit slower. Make that of what you will. Okay, so I'm going to hit trade options. I'm going to be looking at the January 17th call options in $5 increments. So $75 call option for $4.60. So that means it's worth $400.60. Take a look at, or $460, not $400.60. If we take a look at this IV sitting at 72%, I'm going to be taking a look at Affirm if it breaks over nearly $73. So yeah, if we take a look at the option short dated right here, for example, December 20th, the option plays are nearly just halved. Some of the option plays earlier were at 0.40, for example. This one, in this case, it's $2. So I'm looking at buy out some time on this, guys. Take a look right here. IV sitting at 93% when it comes closer. So definitely for a firm that separates apart from other stocks, I'm looking for weeks out to buy the strike prices, guys. So this one I'm specifically looking for time out, not too instant for the trade. I'm gonna take a look. If it break 72.82, I'm gonna be definitely looking for some call options, guys. I marked it out. We hit several resistances in Affirm in the past week, so definitely see this one being bullish short term. Just a little bit more time on this one, guys. So that was it, YouTube family. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Coach wishes you a good luck. Okay, I know you guys can do this. Make sure you guys stick to your trading plan. Make your own trading plan. All right, don't follow what I just do. Take a look at this video, maybe apply some things, but ultimately decide for yourself. Okay, take a look at everything I said, mark it out, do the technical analysis. Coach comes here to help you guys out. Okay, make sure to do your own due diligence before entering a play. Make sure you manage your risk, guys. Coach believes in each and every one of you. I'll see y'all later. Good luck on Monday, YouTube.